Understanding Fiscal Strain, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of finance-related English. Specifically, we'll explore the meaning and usage of the term fiscal strain. Whether you're an English learner or just curious about financial terminology, this video will shed light on this important phrase. Fiscal strain refers to financial stress or difficulty faced by an organization, often a government or a company. The word fiscal relates to finances or budget, and strain signifies pressure or stress. So, when these two words combine, they describe a situation where financial resources are under pressure. Let's put fiscal strain in context. Imagine a government facing reduced revenue from taxes while needing to spend more on public services. This scenario is a classic example of fiscal strain. Similarly, a company struggling to manage its expenses with declining profits also experiences fiscal strain. While fiscal strain is a term often used in formal settings like economic reports or news, it can also appear in everyday conversations, especially among professionals. For instance, discussing the fiscal strain caused by a recent economic downturn or by unexpected expenses. To help you get comfortable with the term, here are a few examples. 1. The recent healthcare crisis has put considerable fiscal strain on the country's budget. 2. Our company is experiencing fiscal strain due to decreased sales this quarter. Understanding terms like fiscal strain can greatly enhance your English proficiency, especially in professional or academic contexts. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your language learning journey. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.